In this demonstration, we are going to learn about one more concept in Oracle Apex that is called as quick pick. Suppose if you see over here the form page, we are having the status. Suppose if the user wants to change the status from in progress to assigned or completed, they have to just click on this list of value or select component or the item and select one of the value. Now what if I tell you there could be a feature in Oracle Apex where user don't have to select one of the items from the LOV. That option will always be there. Apart from that, user should be provided with the values over here as a quick pick. Like the popular statuses after the progress could be completed or terminated. If the user wants to change, they can directly click on one of the links or the quick picks over here that is below this or under this particular page item. Then the status will be updated over here. Instead of clicking on the list of value, they can just click on the links under this page item. Now we'll see how we can do the same. Go to the status ID and here we have to just search with the quick pick. So it will be under the quick pick. Suppose if you don't want to search like this, you can just manually scroll down and you can locate where is this quick pick. It should be over here. Just enable this. Here we have to provide the labels. In my case, I'm showing the quick pick for status column and we can see what are the popular project statuses available in your database. Or suppose if you are calling any REST enabled SQL or ORDS, then you can see what is the statuses available in that particular REST endpoint. In this case, I'm having assigned, in progress and completed. Now what I will do is I will show as assigned in smaller case, but value should be assigned. And here label 2, what we can do is we can tell as in progress, value should be in hyphen progress. Now in this case, the in progress, whatever you see over here, it is coming from this table, that is the projects table. In the projects table, it should be stored as 1, 2, 3. That is like this it stores, not assigned in progress. Now what you can do is return value you can show as 1, 2, 3 in different way like this 1, 2, 3. Label you can give as assigned in progress completed. Now same thing I will do over here. Assigned means 1, in progress means 2, completed means 3. Completed means 3. Click on save. Now like this up to 10 quick picks you can provide it over here, and also there is an option for the link attribute. If you go to the help section for this link attribute, it says it is used for adding the HTML attributes, that is for defining this particular labels. So you can provide something like this, like the style, and let's see if it is working. Click on save and let's see this in action. Click on run. This is a form. I think we cannot run the model dialog. Let me right click and refresh. Now if I click on edit over here, it is going to open up the form and the quick picks are available over here. If I click on assign, it will not change anything. If I click on in progress, the status is going to change. So this is how the quick picks are being implemented in any of the page items in Oracle Apex. And these things you can customize based on the next probable outcomes which can happen from this particular status. Like from assigned, it could be in progress, you can show in progress. From completed, after this it should be terminated, you can show terminated. So like this we can add the quick picks. And also we had provided this HTML saying we have to show in the color red and the font weight should be bold. This is what we can do with the help of quick picks. We can show the quick picks under any of the page items.